most prestigious certifications for professionals in the accounting and finance sector. The CMA focuses on two key areas: management accounting and financial management. Whether you prefer offline, classroom based learning, or the convenience of online classes, they have it all. This flexibility allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule. The Wall Street School has a proven track record of success. They have helped hundreds of students pass the USCMA exam with flying colors and land in top-notch roles in multinational companies. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are interested in advancing your career in accounting or finance, or if you are thinking about pursuing the USCMA course, then you are at the right place. Today, we are going to dive into why the Wall Street School is the absolute best choice for USCMA coaching in the Delhi NCR region. Whether you are a working professional or a student, this video is for you. First things first, let's quickly understand what the USCMA certification is all about. The Certified Management Accountant qualification is one of the most prestigious certifications for professionals in the accounting and finance sector. The CMA focuses on two key areas: management accounting and financial management. It's globally recognized and opens up a ton of career opportunities in both US as well as worldwide, including India. And for those of you who are in Delhi NCR or nearby, you're probably wondering, where do I go to pursue this course? Well, that's where the Wall Street School comes into the picture. Let me tell you why they stand out. Now, let's talk about what makes the Wall Street School different from all other coaching centers for USCMA. Here are 5 key reasons why they are the best in the business. First and most importantly, the Wall Street School has expert faculty with years of real-world experience in the field of accounting and finance. These aren't just textbook teachers. They've worked with top organizations and they bring in the industry experience right into the classroom. This means you're not just learning theories. You're learning practical skills that you can apply immediately. Second, the Wall Street School offers a personalized learning approach. They understand that everyone has different learning needs, which is why they tailor their teaching style to match your pace and level of understanding. Whether you are a beginner or someone with some background in the finance, they ensure you're getting the right support. Number 3, the curriculum is always updated to match the latest trends and requirements in the industry. With finance and accounting continuously evolving, it's crucial to stay current, and the Wall Street School ensures that their course material is aligned with the latest exam syllabus, which increases your chances of passing the exam on your first attempt itself. Another big plus is the flexibility that the Wall Street School offers. Whether you prefer offline, classroom-based learning, or the convenience of online classes, they have it all. This flexibility allows you to learn at your own pace and schedule, making it ideal for working professionals who want to upskill without disrupting their current job. Finally, the Wall Street School has a proven track record of success. They have helped hundreds of students pass the USCMA exam with flying colors and land in top-notch roles in multinational companies. Their testimonials and success stories speak volumes about the quality of education and the support they provide. On top of all of this, the Wall Street School also provides additional services like mock exams, interview preparation, and career counseling sessions. This holistic approach ensures you're not just prepared for the exam but also for the job market. And let's not forget about the location advantage. The Wall Street School is strategically located in the heart of Delhi NCR, making it super convenient for anyone in the region. Whether you're in Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, or nearby areas, it's easy to access and you can start your USCMA journey without any hassle. So if you're serious about becoming a USCMA and want to set yourself up for the success, the Wall Street School is definitely your best bet in Delhi NCR. With experienced faculties, a personalized approach, flexible learning options, and a proven track record, they have everything you need to ace the exam and take your career to the next level. So if you are ready to take the first step, check out their website or visit their center to get to know more information on how to enroll. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates on educational courses and career tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.